Today guys, we have cool Discord reward. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, scroll here down and you will see drop trailer quest. Claim 1 day of Nitro. All you need to do, just go here start video quest, just click on it and watch this video to end. You will see your progress here is going. Just watch this video to end. After watching this trailer like me, you will see here claim reward. Click on it, verify here like me and you will get 1 day of free Nitro. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward Nitro on your Discord profile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.